Good evening, Rutgers. Tyler Case here in the WeatherWatcher studio with your late night forecast for this Tuesday evening, October 23rd, 2012. We had some nice mild conditions here in New Brunswick and Piscataway today, and those temperatures are going to continue for this week. We'll also have a chance of rain lingering around through Thursday and could potentially make a reappearance for the latter half of your weekend, and then we will see a cool down into the middle of next week. High of 67 degrees today out at Rutgers Gardens, so you can see we're above our average high of 64. We're also going to be above our average low of 42 degrees tonight. Records 86 for our high set in 1979 and 26 degrees for our low set in 1997. Sunrise 7:18 a.m. in the morning, and it's set at 6:06 p.m. this evening. So we take a look at our lows around the region for tonight. 47 degrees in Providence, Newark will drop down to 56, 57 in Camden, 62 down there in Baltimore, 44 degrees in Schenectady, New York, that's our cold spot for this evening, and State College, home of Penn State University, 55 degrees tonight. So we take a look at our satellite for this evening. You can see a nice low pressure system hanging out over northwestern Pennsylvania. That's bringing some rain into mid-state New York and parts of New England, and could potentially also bring us some showers into tonight here in New Jersey. We also have high pressure hanging out over the southeast. That's keeping conditions nice, dry, and calm down there. Frontal system, making its way eastward from the Rocky Mountains, and if you take a look down here in the bottom corner of your screen, you can see the outer rain bands of Tropical Storm Sandy. Sandy is expected to make hurricane sometime tomorrow afternoon, and as a result, we have hurricane warnings for Jamaica and parts of eastern Cuba. This track has it as a tropical storm moving northward up through the Bahamas and then curving to the northeast. After that, there's a little bit of uncertainty as to where Sandy's going to go. Some of the models hinting that it could be potentially affect us here in New Jersey, others hinting that it's going to go out to sea. So be sure to stay tuned to WeatherWatcher for that. We will definitely be keeping you updated on the whereabouts of Tropical Storm Sandy. Tropical Depression 19, different story. It is expected to make a tropical storm. It's going to become Tropical Storm Tony sometime tomorrow afternoon. But as far as its track goes, it's not expected at all to make landfall, so it's pretty much just going to die out there in the Atlantic. But back here in New Jersey tonight, low of 54 degrees, mild conditions, rain before 3 a.m., winds calm. Tomorrow morning, a temperature of 58 degrees, cloudy and calm conditions, winds out of the north at 2 miles per hour. Which brings us to tomorrow, a high of 66 degrees, calm, warm, and cloudy, winds picking up to out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. And for tomorrow night, a low of 55 degrees, cloudy, slight chance of rain early on, winds out of the east at 3 to 6 miles per hour. And as I step out of your extended forecast, you can see highs flip-flopping a little bit between the 60s and the 70s. We'll be in the 70s for Thursday and Friday, and then we'll drop back down for your weekend. Lows hanging around the mid to low 50s all week. Saturday for that homecoming game in the afternoon against Kent State, 69 degrees, looking pretty dry, dropping down to 52 in the evening. As always, you can check us out at RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. We're also on Facebook. Our page is RU WeatherWatcher. If you use Twitter, you can tweet us at RUTVWW, and you can always find our forecasts on rutv.rutgers.edu. My name's Tyler Case. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an excellent week.